So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can unarchive a story on Instagram. Many people have watched some tutorials, but they are facing an issue that they are not getting an option to reshare or unarchive the story as they see in the video. And we will also discuss that issue in this video. So what you have to do is you have to first of all go to your profile section by tapping on this little profile picture available at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, you have to tap on the hamburger icon available at the top right. Keep in mind that this works absolutely the same for both Android or iPhone, so you need not to worry for that. And here you have to scroll through this page, and here under how you use Instagram section, the second option is archive. So you got to tap on that, and if you are seeing this post archive here at the top, then you have to tap on it and tap on stories archive, and here you will see all the stories that you have archived up to the day. And if I tap on the one, you have to tap on these three dots available at the bottom right corner of the story, and the second last option in this list is reshare archived story. So you got to tap onto that. From here you can reshare or unarchive this story. But for many people, what they see when they tap on these three dots available at the bottom right is they only get two options like deleting story and one other options. So what is the solution then? Let me log into that account and show you exactly what they see. And for this account, if I go into the stories archive section, let me show you the results. For example, if I open up a story here and tap on these three dots, here you can see that only I get two options, which are delete story and save video. So for these kind of accounts, what is the solution? You directly get the share option available next to the highlight option, and as soon as you tap on this share button, that archived story will be shared to your story, and from here you can share this story with your friends again. Now, why you do not get the option to unarchive or reshare the story in these three dots? That's because your Instagram app or Instagram account is outdated. You have to just wait for some time, and this update will be applied for your account too. What you can do is, after going into this hamburger, you will get an option to update your Instagram here under the how you use Instagram section. That will be the last option in this list. And after updating your account, you may see a direct option to unarchive the stories. Thank you so much.